and today what I'm gonna be doing is my makeup look, my everyday, this is basically my everyday makeup updated routine. Because bruh, it's been like a year since my last makeup video. Let's get into this glam. And yeah, the next clip you're gonna see me with no makeup on, and don't get scared because I low-key scare myself too. First, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I have another video where I kind of do a little tutorial on how I do it, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera, but I just gel them up, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me do that real quick and then we'll get into the whole new routine. So these are my brows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line my eyebrows. My concealer is pretty light, like it's really light. And honestly, I wasn't expecting to use it until I tried it and did my makeup with it, and I was like, shit, bro, it's not even my color, but my makeup don't look bad. I forgot to wipe. Okay, hold on. My bad, I forgot to wipe the gel. I take the concealer. I did one eye already, so I just line my brows and drag the product down. And for some reason, I always feel like one of my eyebrow hairs, I feel like this one grows lower than this one, so I always just kind of like go over the hairs to make it look even. So after I line my brows, I take my concealer and I just like put a mark right here, like that. That's how I mark my face. And then after I blend it out, I usually look really off tone, but let me show you. So this is what I mean by like really off tone. So this is my little James Charles moment. I use like a really dark foundation, like I ain't gonna lie. Like look at my neck color compared to my face, and then this color. So what I do after I get the foundation is the same brush I used to put my concealer on. I'll do the same. So this is what I do. This is what I do. This is Ava. She was in the last video with my camping vlog. I'm making a video. But yeah, you could tell how different color these like this shit is, and like honestly, you probably wouldn't even wear this. You'd be like, what the freak? So yeah, I just drag it down on my neck, put some lines on my chin, and then my forehead. And then after I put this line on my forehead like that, I line the top of my brows. So yeah, you kind of get the point, right? But okay, so yeah, I just line my brows, and you're probably thinking like, that girl don't know how to color match. That's what I was thinking. I honestly don't, but whatever. If it looks alright, it's alright. But yeah, I just do something like this, and then with the rest of it, I'm just gonna like dap it and yeah, like so. And yeah, see how I don't know, I hope I'm not embarrassing myself because this is really how I do my makeup. Wait, I got it. So this is just kind of how I blend it out. After this, it's easy. So sorry if this takes a while, but when I blend it out, I just like literally like I just put it all over, like even over like where I'm doing it right now on my eyelid. But yeah, that's how you're gonna blend it out. And yeah, I'll show you the rest after I blend it because it's gonna take a while. Oh, but this is my kind of, it's just like a dark concealer. Contour. This is what I use for that. All I do, because literally a little goes a long way. I've had it probably for like a month, 2 months now. yeah, I put some like that. Like that. Up here. And then my nose. Just like. Boom. Like so. This is the kind of brush I use. I don't know. If you were watching this and you bought makeup brushes, yeah, this is one of my favorite brushes. I just use this and I just blend it like, I don't know.
You blend your makeup?
Yeah.
Why you blend it?
So it looks blended. Yeah. Also, I'm pretty sure I already mentioned, but Ava is in the background.
No, I'm not. I'm in the room. The kitty's closing his eyes.
This part, I don't know. Honestly, I don't really try to make my makeup like perfect. I just do it. Just like, I just kind of try to make it come together somehow. But yeah. And usually this is how it goes. Like on my forehead, it'll like blend. But then on the sides right here, it won't really have enough. So on my nose, it always ends up going like a little too much. So I just blend some of my nose and put it on the side. And yeah, this is basically, oh my gosh, I'm sorry if my mirror is in the way. I kind of forget about it, but this is basically how I blend it. Also, don't forget to put it on your eyelid, because look how white my concealer is. It ain't gonna look right, bro. So this is basically how it's gonna look. So after I blend out my contour, I take, this is the powder I use. And yeah, I just basically, I still use the powder the same. Just dab it. And put some on my nose.
Like these guys, this song like is for me at the first. No, you can't.
So this is how I put my powder on. Next, I'm gonna take my bronzer. This lasts a long time too, I ain't gonna lie. But this is the brush I use too. It's a different one. It's not the same from what I use with the concealer. It's like a, I don't know, like more fluffy, I guess. Just put some in here. And I like doing my forehead on this part because it's like, I don't know. But if you do your edges also, I feel like it's better to do them before you do your makeup, because with me, when I used to do it afterwards, it used to like mess up my makeup, you know? But yeah, this is how I like to do it. I don't really use much on my cheeks, but for my nose, I use like a little, like an eyeshadow brush, literally. So it just freaking go like that. Like this, like this. I hope my mirror ain't in the way. And then on my eyelids. Boom, boom, boom. And then, yeah, I don't know if you could tell that I put it on. After you do your liquid and stuff, for me, it gets easy after that. So after I put the bronzer, always Rosy. So yeah, I just take this and put some on this big fluffy brush. This is what I do. Basically like that. I low-key like a lot of blush though. Then, oh my gosh, I feel like that went by fast. After, I have this other brush. It's like this. It's like a little, it's cute. But yeah, I just take this. I just like to leave this line on my nose. Next is my highlighter. I used the Wet n Wild one. It kind of broke, so it's fine. It's like a silver color, silver gold, I don't know. But I just freaking put a little dot on my nose. And then like that. This is my little brother, by the way. You want some makeup? This is Connor. I don't know if you guys are in the camera. Yeah, you're halfway in, Kim. Connor. Yeah, this is my nephew and my brother, my niece. Oh my gosh, I like your makeup. So I just freaking put highlighter and then I go over the powder with my highlighter. And then I just blend it. Yeah, after I blend it all out, sorry about all the noise, but I'm gonna wipe my lips down. Next, I'm just gonna stick on my eyelashes. This is my makeup look with the eyelashes. So for my lips, I take brown eyeliner. I think a lot of people do this though. And I just literally always mess up. And then I don't know, I've had this lipstick. Okay, so I don't know if I recorded my lip part. I'm sorry if you hear people in the background and it kind of distracts you, but I'm not home right now, so that's why. But it's fine with me because I actually have time to do this, you know? But anyways, last thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my hair down after it dries so it's like curly. Yeah, so thanks for watching again and again and again, and until next time.